Hello students, just a quick Friday video for you. I've just gotten through grading this sports synthesis exercise and I wanted to go over it with you and to be sure you understood how this pertains to assignment number 4. So notice here that on this sheet there are 10 respondents. Keep in mind that you need to have 10 sources for assignment number 4. So I'm really trying to prime you to think about how you will move from 10 different sources to one bibliographic essay. The first thing you're going to have to do is analyze your sources. Fortunately, you've already written an annotated bibliography that does just that. You've done a little bit of analysis of each of your sources. So you're kind of at this stage already. You've got a little bit of information about all 10 sources, some summary and some analysis. What you need to do next is look for ways to connect them. And that's really what this writing assignment was all about. Can you move from a list like this into a paragraph that groups some sources together? So notice the ones in green, Stieglitz, Sanchez, and Leland. All of them emphasize mental and physical together. So that was one of my sentences. Another one prioritized physical contact, these two folks, Anderson and Lothier. So what I'm trying to get you to do is recognize the way that you need to move from your annotated bibliography into part 1 of assignment number 4. So here's the paragraph that I ended up writing. And it is 60 words, which is fewer than 70, which was the requirement. And this is basically what I want you to do in part 1 of assignment number 4. You'll probably write paragraphs instead of just a single sentence about the sources and how they fit together. But you want to be at this level of zoom, so to speak. You don't want to be really in tight, getting caught up in the details of each individual source. And remember this document as well. If you want to think about it this way, as a paragraph linking together 4 of your sources, or a paragraph linking together 2 of them, this is the way you need to go about part 1 of assignment number 4. And when you refer to your sources, feel free to do so as some of you did in the assignment and as I have done here. So you're going to have a works cited page at the end of assignment number 4 with all 10 of the sources that you found about your topic. It will be organized alphabetically. You do not need to include the annotations from earlier assignments, simply the bibliographic citations. And so for this assignment, the bibliographic citation on your works cited page should link up with at least part of each in-text citation in part 1. Right? There's a lot of vocabulary in there, so if you have any questions, please just let me know. But I am trying to get you thinking in the right way to succeed on assignment number 4. So part 1 is that bibliographic essay that sums up the research on your topic. You should cite all 10 of your sources, including the 2 that you are finding now for assignment number 4 that you have not worked with yet. You're going to do a lot of synthesis, create groups of the sources, and describe what people have said about your topic, 3 at a time or 2 at a time rather than 1 at a time. From there, you will move on to your research proposal. This is exigence. This shows that there is a need for additional research. You, in the proposal, come up with some way to answer that exigence, some sort of new research that you could do if you had unlimited time and unlimited funds to learn something else about your particular topic. And then the works cited page will be the last thing you include on assignment number 4. Okay, I hope this is making sense and it's clear. I'm not seeing questions on the Q&A forum, which leads me to believe that folks are feeling comfortable. If that's not the case, use that forum or send me an email. Okay,